Hey everyone, I'm here. Welcome to this channel where we explore ancient wisdom for modern minds. In this video, we're diving into the heart of Buddhism, exploring its core essence and how it can transform your life. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you never miss out on our weekly dose of wisdom. Do you ever feel like life's complexities have you tangled up in knots? Overwhelmed by stress, anxiety, the endless loop of overthinking? We'll uncover what it truly means to follow the Buddha's teachings and how it can be a life-changing experience. So let's embark on this enlightening exploration together. In a world often marked by chaos and uncertainty, Buddhism provides a beacon of clarity, helping you to find your place amidst the storm. Imagine a life where you find peace amidst life's storms, where worries don't keep you up at night, and where you can face challenges without breaking into sweat. In a world that often feels like a never-ending to-do list, the pressure to achieve, to possess, to be the best can feel overwhelming. That vision isn't a utopian dream, it's a Buddhist ideal. Buddhism encourages you to come back to the present moment. It's a call to savor the taste of the tea you're drinking, to feel the sun on your skin, and to listen to the laughter of children playing nearby. It invites you to find joy in the simple pleasures of life, a walk in the park, a heartfelt conversation, the feeling of raindrops on your face. When you embrace simplicity, you begin to appreciate the richness of everyday moments. The joy you seek isn't found in what you own, but in what you experience, what you feel, and who you share it with. When you anchor yourself in the present, you discover that life is happening right here, right now. By understanding this concept, you realize that your actions ripple outward, affecting not just yourself, but the world around you. So as you reflect on these profound ideas, ask yourself, which of these teachings resonate with you the most? How can you incorporate them into your life and make them your own? The beauty of Buddhism is that it's a personal journey. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. It's about discovering what works for you and embracing the path that aligns with your values and beliefs. When you live with mindfulness, you savor the taste of each experience. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on our weekly dose of wisdom. Together, let's continue to explore the vast universe of knowledge and wisdom that awaits us. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. May your path be filled with light, laughter, and love. Till next time, peace be with you. You listen with full attention, and you respond rather than react. It's a transformative way of living that brings clarity, peace, and a deeper connection to yourself and the world around you. It inspires you to act with kindness, to be mindful of your impact on others, and to recognize that you are part of a greater whole. It equips you with practical tools to handle life's challenges, to cultivate inner peace, and to navigate the complexities of human emotions. It's about simplifying the maze of existence, shedding layers of complexity to reveal the core truths that illuminate your path. The teachings of Buddhism aren't confined to ancient texts. They're alive, vibrant, and deeply relevant in today's world. Whether you're a seasoned seeker or just beginning your journey, Buddhism offers a wealth of wisdom that can enrich your life, bringing clarity, peace, and a deeper sense of purpose. In a world that often feels fragmented and chaotic, Buddhism provides a unifying thread, reminding you of the shared experiences that connect us all. It's a philosophy that resonates with the deepest yearnings of your soul, offering solace, guidance, and hope. The worries of tomorrow lose their grip, and the regrets of yesterday fade away. Practicing compassion means cultivating kindness not only for yourself but also for others. It's about recognizing the shared humanity that binds us all. Understanding that each person's journey is unique and acknowledging that everyone is grappling with their own battles. When you embrace compassion, you become a beacon of warmth in a sometimes cold world, touching lives and making a positive impact. Buddhism encourages you to pause, to look within, and to find solace in simplicity. It reminds you that true strength lies in knowing when to let go. You release the weight of unmet expectations and the burden of unnecessary desires. You open the door to inner tranquility. Buddhism encourages you to turn inward, to explore the depths of your own being, to ask profound questions, and to seek answers within. It's a journey of self-discovery, of peeling back the layers of complexity to uncover the simple truths that resonate with your soul. As you cultivate inner wisdom, you gain clarity, not just about life, but about your place in the grand tapestry of existence. Suddenly, the noise of the world fades away, replaced by the melody of your inner peace. It's a profound philosophy that guides you towards enlightenment. Buddhism invites you to see the world with clarity, to understand the nature of existence, and to cultivate inner peace. At its core, it's a personal journey, a quest to unravel the mysteries of life and to discover your true potential. What if there's a path to this tranquil state right within reach? 2,500 years ago, a teacher named Siddhartha Gautama walked this path and became the Buddha, meaning the awakened one. The harder you try, the more it slips through your fingers. Similarly, life is filled with constant change. Joy and sorrow, success and setbacks, all intertwined in a tapestry of impermanence. Buddhism teaches you to embrace this reality, to accept that nothing lasts forever. It's a liberating idea. When you realize that everything is temporary, you learn to let go of the need to control every outcome. Instead of fighting the inevitable, you flow with life's rhythm, finding peace in the midst of change. He didn't promise miracles. He offered a map to inner peace and freedom from suffering. His teachings resonated with millions and continue to touch lives today. In this video, we'll journey through the depths of Buddhist wisdom. What is Buddhism really? Buddhism isn't just about burning incense, chanting, or bowing down to a deity. Why should you care? Because Buddhism holds the key to transforming your life. It offers tools to navigate the complexities of emotions, relationships, and existence itself. The first shift, embracing impermanence. Have you ever tried to hold on to a sandcastle in the waves? It's the second shift, the art of letting go. The third shift, practicing compassion. Imagine a world where everyone is kind, where understanding and empathy reign. The fourth shift, embracing the present moment. Are you often lost in the labyrinth of your own mind, worrying about the future or dwelling in the past? The fifth shift, cultivating inner wisdom. Wisdom is the guiding light that illuminates the path to enlightenment. Shift 6, finding joy in simplicity. In a world that often glorifies material possessions and extravagant experiences, Buddhism offers a counter-narrative. The seventh shift, recognizing interconnectedness. Everything in the universe is interconnected, the grand celestial bodies and the smallest atom. This interconnectedness is at the core of Buddhist philosophy. The eighth shift, living with mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present, of paying attention to the ebb and flow of life without judgment. So why does Buddhism matter? Because it offers a roadmap to personal growth and transformation. Embracing these shifts isn't about making life more complicated. Remember, the essence of Buddhism lies in the practice, in the daily application of its teachings in your life. So if you found this video insightful, show your support by hitting the like button and sharing it with others.